Are you ready to give your rooms a refresh? Looking to transform your space without breaking the bank? Continuously locally owned and operated since 1959, Kerby's Furniture is proud to offer excellent local value and personalized service.
My name is JD Purvis. I'm the owner and operator of Kerby's Furniture. I am here nearly every day. I am associated with not just the product selection on the floor, but ensuring customers get the optimal experience every time that they walk into Kerby's Furniture. Kerby's Furniture opened in 1959 to Rex and Ruth Kerby. They passed the store along to their son, Marvin Kerby, and more recently, I took over from Marvin Kerby as the owner and operator of Kerby's Furniture. We carry a wide selection of products, and we look first at what customers are interested in order to determine what is best to each individual's unique needs, whether they want to just wander our store, see what we've got, or would like our expertise in guiding them to what might best suit their needs. Kerby's is a locally owned and operated furniture store with a family touch. We offer a 12-month guarantee on everything we deliver. That includes not just parts, but also labor in every customer's home. We back and stand behind all of our quality products. We focus on American-made manufacturers, which allows us to offer quality, as well as getting products into customers' homes in a more timely fashion, as well as customizing those products in that timely fashion.
Whether you need a new dining set or a comfy sofa, you'll find stylish and budget-friendly furniture options for every room.
Kerby's really works hard to keep our floors fresh on a regular and rotating basis. We've got 14,000 square feet of showroom, allowing customers to see a unique selection, not just of our best sellers, but of something new every time that they walk in our door. We carry products from Best Home Furnishings, made out of Indiana. We carry products from England, Kincaid. They are lazy boy brands that many consumers come in the door very familiar with and are great to see when you have a giant wall of over 700 fabrics to choose from, and they can be custom built to that customer's desires in a short period of time. Our manufacturers don't cut corners. They're interested in products that are going to last consumers a longer period of time. For example, they use higher density foams, they use additional sinus springs, and they use real hardwood. This allows products to last a long time and provide consumers the quality that they appreciate in furniture, rather than something that looks great day one and they're thinking about replacing 6 or 12 months in. We work with our manufacturers directly to do larger purchases so that we avoid having issues with shipping costs being built into those products. We are a container direct buyer for some of our products, and we are also a full truckload buyer. This allows us to pass those savings from us directly to consumers and stay price competitive.
I'm the store manager here for the last 31 years. Pretty much do the day-to-day operations from ordering to greeting customers. I love greeting customers, meeting the people. I meet somebody new every day. It's not the same person every day, so it's kind of fun to meet new people from all over the world. I love helping customers find their perfect fabric for their couch or chair, you know what I mean? Like, you're not just buying the cookie cutter stuff that you can buy anywhere. We're making their home look special. So you find that perfect piece with the perfect color just to make it pop just the way they want it. Most popular would be our flex deals. We do a lot with Best Home Furnishings. Bedrooms, we do a lot with Kincaid. We do a lot with small chairs. We're known for our petite ladies, so we do a lot with that. We also do with our leather. We do a huge line of leather and motion, as well as, a full line of stationary sofas, custom colors. So a majority of our upholstery is all solid hardwoods. We have flex steel, you have their torsion springs. So you know what I mean, like they give you a little bit better, cushion fabric is on both sides, not just one side. So it gives you that option to keep your furniture lasting forever. We try to meet everybody's price point needs. So, we have from the low end all the way to the top end, you know what I mean? So we're trying to meet everybody's needs of where they want to be. So we're not just singling ourselves out, we're at the top, or we're not at the bottom, you know what I mean? We have a little bit of everything.
The latest trends and traditional designs are all available in one place.
We have absolutely all of the same trendy stuff as everyone else, some good old town favorites, some new items, just depends on what customers might be interested in, and it's wonderful to look around to see what might fit their homes the best. We attend multiple shows throughout the year in order to ensure that our customers are not just seeing the same products in our store on a regular basis, but whatever is newest, latest, and greatest as determined by our manufacturers, designers, and gives us the ability not just to see the current manufacturers that we have, but also new manufacturers coming into the industry. We've got some new recent trends, including matching pillows to sofas or matching pillows to chairs, allowing for a whole room situation to look like it flows together better than it used to. Sustainable materials are exceptionally important to Kerby's Furniture. By focusing on American made, we reduce the emissions from shipping costs and allowing items to be shipped locally rather than across international lines. By focusing on American made, we can work directly with our manufacturers, see items that are packed just designed for truckload shipping rather than container shipping. We also have manufacturers that focus on more sustainable packaging of their products. This includes using less cardboard. This allows us to be more environmentally friendly throughout our business.
You can pick it up yourself, or we do a white glove treatment, so we can bring it in, set it up in your home, removal of your old if need be. You know what I mean? We offer a 1-year in-home parts, labor guarantee with their delivery service. We're packed from wall to ceiling, it feels like, in here, with everything you need, from sofas, living room, dining room, bedroom, even to wall clocks. We're full up in here on clocks.
We carry more mattresses with over 30 bedding sets on our floor. We carry over 100 different recliners, 600 different fabric combinations for our recliners, 700 different fabric combinations for our sofa sets and sectionals, as well as leather options when that's appropriate. Many of our choices come manually reclining, motorized reclining, wall hugging. We also have stationary options when that might be more appropriate.
Kerby's Furniture is your community's go-to place for affordable and stylish home furnishings.
You're greeted right away, you know what I mean? We try to give you that family experience, you know, we remember your name. 31 years of repeat customers, you know, it's just calling you up, hey Phil, you know that chair I saw last week, you know, let's go ahead and write it up, you know, and people keep coming back. So between all of our salespeople, we have a ton of repeat customers. Come on in, we'd be glad to meet you.
Kerby's started back in 1959, and we've had a consistent, loyal fan base of customers who come back to us again and again and refer even their children to us as their children determine that they need furniture as they move out. It's very important that consumers, when they come to Kerby's, can find quality furniture. This means products that we can comfortably stand behind. When a customer has an issue, it's important to us to resolve it, but more important is to avoid that issue in the first place. Providing customers quality furniture is key to allowing customers to see why they should come back to us in the future for other needs. Kerby's Furniture is a 14,000 square foot showroom offering a broad selection of products from living rooms, dining rooms, as well as full bed sets. We offer a great selection. It can be hard to tell from the street though. Our store footprint is more unique when people come into us, and we greatly encourage people to stop in, look around, and chat with us to see what might best suit their needs. Kerby's Furniture has been your source of excellent quality furniture, locally owned and operated for 65 years. We look forward to seeing you in our stores.
To find out more about Kerby's Furniture, visit kerbysfurniture.com or designingspaces.tv.